When you're building new construction, how do you decide where the electrical outlets go? I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and on this week of Footings to Finished, we're gonna walk you through this week's electrical walkthrough. We're in lot 4, which is a Lincoln model, and this week we had our electrical walkthrough with the builder. As you can see, they've started dropping in electrical, and we go through the whole house, and you decide where you're gonna want your switches. So for instance, here's a box that we're putting in, coming into the kitchen. There's another one that's gonna do all the kitchen lighting. And then if you come over here, you're going to have a switch for when you come in from the front door. And then of course you need lights that will go here. Coming from the stairs, they'll do the whole stairwell and your family room lights. So we walk the entire home and we figure out exactly where you're gonna want things. We also figure out with some of your overhead lighting, are you gonna want ceiling fans? Are you going to want chandeliers? All of those decisions get made at the electrical walkthrough. Many of your plug outlets, those are all based on code. So those get placed where they need to be. What you get to pick is sort of everything else. When you walk into this bedroom, do you want your light switch on this wall or do you want it over here? So those are more decisions that we make. And as you can see, we've started wiring everything in. Another thing we'll figure out is where do you want your recessed lighting? So here you have 2 that will be in this hallway. Oh, we have a little bird that's in one of the houses. So, oh, hi little guy, hear ya. I'm gonna open up this window and hopefully he can find his way out. We don't want him stuck in here. So while we do the electrical walkthrough here, you're gonna meet with our lighting vendor to pick all of your lights. It's a lot of options, so it's good to have a Pinterest board to think about what you want. For instance, in your family room, do you want a fan or do you want some kind of a chandelier? Do you want flush mount lights in the bedrooms or do you want ceiling fan lights? And then of course, there's all of the lights over the island. There's the lights outside your house by the door. There's the lights that go over the garages. It's a whole lot of options. So it's really good to have a Pinterest board so you're not overwhelmed when you get into the lighting store. If you're loving this new construction content, then why not like, subscribe, share with a friend, and don't forget to tune in next week for another episode of Footings to Finished. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass.